All right, this example is just like 202. So I would suggest that you do this one yourself and then come back and check to see if your answer is right. I'm going to go ahead and work through it. My let's see, the cubic function has the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and write my matrix first. All right, so for the point 1, 5.5, that's going to give me a line that has 1 to the third, 1 squared, 1 to the first power, 1 to the 0 power, 5.5. Then for 2, we get the powers of 2. I'm going to write those this way, 1, 2, 4, 8. And the y-coordinate was negative 7.5. For 3, 1, 3, 9, 27. What is that? Negative 4.5. And for 4, we get 6.5 here. And the powers of 4 across here, 1, 4, 16, 64. So let's octave this. I guess I should write an augment line right there. So let's stick this in octave and see what we get. All right, that matrix looks correct. All right, there's some fractions in there. We could work out what they are, but rather than work them out manually, let's just change the format to rational and then row reduce it again, and it gives us that. So I can read this off, and that 4.3 is my a, so what I'm going to get is y equals negative 4/3 x squared, or no, x cubed, plus 16x squared minus 155 over 3x plus 85 over 2. I don't know if I've got that up there where you can't read it. So let's see, that should be our answer. And we're pretty much done, except I like to check these things. So let's go to Desmos and check it. All right, on Desmos, let's see. Still got the previous example. Let me delete all that. We've got minus 4/3 y equals minus 4/3 x cubed plus 16x squared minus 155 over 3x plus 85 over 2. All right. Now I could go through and I want to check and see if I get all of those different points on there. I could go through and type the points in individually, but there's a quicker way to do it. Let's change this. Instead of y, let's call it f of x. And now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put in f of each of those points. F of 1 is 5.5. F of, if I put in 2, I should get negative 7.5. F of 3 should give me negative 4.5, and it does, and f of 4 should be 6.5. All right. So we can double check it, and we get that this is our answer.